अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पीपीएससी एक्साइज एंड टेक्नीशियन इंस्पेक्टर पास्ट पेपर को एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट एंड डीपेस्ट ओशन ऑफ द अर्थ? पैसिफिक ओशन। Monsoon season in Pakistan starts in July and ends in September. Sindh separated from Bombay in 1936. First meeting of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was held on which date? 10th August 1947. Northern Rhodesia is the new name of Zambia. Test career highest individual score record 400 runs in one innings is held by Brian Lara. Which of the following mineral is used in cement industry and plaster of Paris? Gypsum. Headquarter of United Nations Fund for Population Activities established in 1967 is located in New York. MI6 is the secret agency of Britain. In which discipline does the United States hold a record for maximum number of Nobel Prize awards? Medicine, psychology. The famous poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is written by Jane Taylor. Which of the following are the biggest deposit of coal in Pakistan? Thar coal deposit. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold with the help of China. Olympic Airline is the name of airline of Greece. Which was the first person who informed Hazrat Aisha Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha about the event of Afaq? Hazrat Umme Musta bin Asa Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. When did WHO report that smallpox has been eradicated worldwide? 1979. Name the Persian poet who wrote two popular books, Bustan and Gulistan. Sheikh Sadi. Which of the following states separates Malaysia from Singapore? George Strait. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on general theory of relativity. What deadline the British Prime Minister Calamite Attali announced for granting of independence to India on February 20, 1947? June 1948. When created the Pakistan Fund? 1947. In the elections, if 1945 to 46 out of total Muslim seats of 119, how many seats Bengal Muslim League won? 113. Yasser Arafat remained the president of Palestine Authority for almost 12 years. With his death ended the glory of Abbadis. The dead Khalifa was Al-Wasiq Billah. The last Khalifa of Umayyad was Marwan II. The largest concrete dam of the world is located in the USA. What is its name? Grand Coulee Dam. The Stonehenge is among the 7 wonders of the world situated in England. NPT was signed on 1 July 1968. How many pounds are there in 1 kilogram? 22,046. Which one of the following phenomena occurs when water vapor condenses around a particle of smoke? Fog. Paris is the capital of France, situated on the bank of Seine. Raincoat Fort is located in the Sindh province near the city Karachi. The deputation of Muslim leaders to the Viceroy allowed me not to seeking separate electorate was headed by Aga Khan. Bundesrat is the parliament of Germany. What is the name of Germany's news agency? DPA. Who has the record of highest individual score in limited over ODI match? Rohit Sharma. In which year the Nobel Prize was instituted? 1901. Which city of Pakistan is called Manchester of Pakistan? Faisalabad. Which state separates Sicily from Italy? Messina State. The total forest area of Punjab is 1.69 million hectares. Central Asia became the part of Muslim Empire during the reign of Walid I. Which desert of Pakistan also lies in India? Thar. Muslim Bagh is famous for chromite and is located in Balochistan. Height of Islamabad from sea level is 1700 feet. Himalaya range is based in Asia. Napoleon Bonaparte was the king of France. The nation of Samud was preached by Hazrat Saleh alayhi Islam. First summit of SAARC was held in 1985 in Dhaka. Gaza is city of Palestine. Which country has the unwritten constitution? UK. Who is the conqueror of Central Asia? Qutb bin Muslim. Who is called Baba Urdu? Maulvi Abdul Haq. Who was the Viceroy of India from 1899 to 1905? Lord Curzon. Cathay Pacific is an airline of Hong Kong. Largest radio station found in Pakistan is Islamabad. Baghdad city was established as the capital of Abbaside dynasty by Al-Mansur. The biggest planet is Jupiter. Where headquarters of United Nations Environment Programme UNEP located? Nairobi. What are the two seas linked by Suez Canal? The Mediterranean and the Red Sea. Headquarters of United Nations Fund for Population Activities is located in New York. Who compiled the first English dictionary? Samuel Johnson. Malagasy is the new name of Madagascar. Global White Cane Day is observed on which date? 15 October. Length of line of control 760 kilometer and 460 miles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.